Hey everyone, welcome back to a new update for my Amazon FBA journey. If you guys are looking to learn Amazon FBA, by the way, just literally go and check out the link in the description. That's the only offer I'll make for this. But if you didn't already know, I'm Josh Gibbons, I'm 17, and I am trying to build up a successful Amazon FBA business. And the latest update was, if you haven't seen my last video, go and check it out. But the update was that it was pretty bad. So I was getting hardly any sales. Nothing was converting. PPC was just being a big waste of money. And I was stuck with a lot of stock. Here is the official new update. And I'm going to actually throw in some screenshots here so you can see what's been happening. So as you can see, things have been going pretty damn well. And there's a screenshot that I'm going to show right now where on a weekend, I think it was last weekend, I got 15 units, or 15 or 14 or something like that units in the 2 days over the weekend. Which, guys, I've literally had 0 to 1 sale a day since Christmas. Since things went south over Christmas, and getting like 40, again, I can't remember, but double figure sales in 2 days, it's just the most incredible feeling. And literally all I've changed to get these sales is lower my price. I lowered it quite substantially compared to what it was before, but it just seems that that is the main solution right now. Yes, I'm cutting into profits per unit, but if I'm not actually selling any units at the higher price, then I'm making 0. So what happened is I reduced the price quite a bit, and I've actually been getting a lot of sales. So it's been around 3 daily as an average, but some days it's like 5. Again, on the weekend, as you saw, it was like 7 or 8. So it's definitely helping with my ranking. I was at 60,000 for one of the main kind of categories. So my BSR was 60,000. That's how much it had gone to crap. And since I've picked up on sales, the best I've been so far since the comeback is 1,000, which from 60,000 is an insane improvement. And that is the kind of BSR that I was at Christmas when I had my 3.5k revenue month. So I really hope that I can bring this back. I've sold a lot of units since I've changed the price, and you know, it's helped my rank. I'm getting rid of this stock that I thought I was going to be stuck with. And, you know, I really think this will be a good chance for me to re-rank in time for Christmas, where I can then improve my, raise my price again, and, you know, really start to re-rank, get everything right, and put myself back on the right tracks. So that's the update, guys. Thank you so much. And again, if you're learning, I've had a few emails from under 18s. I think it's so amazing that you guys are watching me and following my journey. If you're learning, please, again, check out the link in my description, as that is where I learn everything. And I truly believe, especially at our age, we need to be following a right plan for how to do this. But also, please don't hesitate to ask me any questions about how to do this. It was one of the most scary freaking things I've ever done. I was 16 years old when I decided to do this. I had to convince my parents, I had to open business banks, limited companies, all at 16 years old, and it was so scary, and there wasn't anyone on YouTube doing it. So I'm here for you guys. If you need any help, please reach out. You know, I don't want you to struggle like I did back then. So please do that, and I hope you have an amazing day. But that is the update. Things are picking up, guys. Sales have been pretty damn good, and this might be my most profitable month, well, second to December, but my PPC is actually converting now. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys.